Parents are mad tonight after State Attorney Andrew Bain announced no charges will be filed against a pastor at their children's school.
Those parents say the pastor hit their children with a belt in front of other students. WESH 2's Luana Munoz is live at the courthouse tonight. And Luana, the parents say this fight isn't over.
That's right. The parents say that this fight is not over. It is far from it. They are very concerned tonight and upset by what occurred and the announcement that was made by Andrew Bain. Take a listen.
The pastor is technically the owner of the school, and part of that school, the law extends what they call a parental privilege to those teachers. And this law says you cannot be convicted of a crime of battery.
At a press conference Wednesday, State Attorney Andrew Bain explained why he was not bringing charges of child abuse or battery against a pastor of St. Mark's AME Church in Orlando and the leader of its affiliated school, Alpha Learning Academy Orlando. The decision comes after Bain says he conducted an investigation into allegations that the pastor in question spanked 16 children.
My son said he came in. He put his stuff down, took his belt off, and said, "You guys are going to stop playing, stop embarrassing my church." And he made them line up. The teachers were pointing them out. None of the kids volunteered.
According to parents, they say their kids were then told to bend over and were spanked at least 3 times with the belt.
It is not okay for us to whoop our own kid, let alone somebody else to whoop our child. My son is going through trauma, and he is still going through trauma. He just lost his dad on 22.
We thought that something was going to be dealt, something was going to happen, something. Like, he has to be punished for what he did.
According to Bain, the student handbook previously said that corporal punishment was allowed, but the current student handbook had that language removed, and the state attorney's office says the administrator didn't get the memo.
It's different from what we expect people to know, what they should know, and what we can prove that they knew.
Alpha Learning Academy released a statement Wednesday night saying, in part, we're currently working with our district leadership to determine next steps regarding the pastor's tenure, as well as how the school will operate moving forward. The pastor's voluntary sabbatical will continue while we work through this internal process. Now, the school also went on to say that they want every student to feel loved, cared for, and supported. Again, those parents say that this isn't the last that they're going to hear from them. They do plan to take further action. Some of them have already decided to remove their children from that school. Reporting live in Orlando, I'm Luana Munoz, WESH 2 News.